pulling yet, or not too bad?
Not that much. I don't think he's pulling at all. Oh, there.
There, he pulled a little bit, right?
It feels like he's pulling.
Yeah, whenever you hear that sound, I mean, stop reeling. You're going to take a little bit out.
Like that sound?
Yeah, the high-pitched sound.
Like that sound?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh.
he's going that way, so you got to face the rod that way.
This is hard.
Where is he?
I don't know. But he's doing hard.
Yeah, that's right near the boat.
Hmm.
You got a picture of him or just video?
No, I got video.
Wow. Look at that bass.
Oh.
Oh,
Right, hold him right there. You got it?
Yep.
There you go. Bring the rod over. There you go. Nice, huh?
He was just floating.
He was a big one.
He was like floating, like let me go.
This might be the biggest one of the day.
Oh, he just splashed everywhere.
That's all right.
Fires.
Did we lose him again?
No, he didn't.
Should be in the bag.
The biggest fish of the day, and Elizabeth got him. Look at that.
She told you right where to fish, too.
Yeah, she says, throw it out there. I'm like, I don't know if I should. And what do you know?
Go ahead, try.
You know what? She said, you don't know unless you try. I'm like, yeah.
So what do you think he is, like 30 pounds?
Whoa.
This is at least a 40-pounder here.
Like 3 feet long? How much do you think he weighs, Elizabeth?
50?
50 pounds?
That's a big one, huh?
Nice. Nice shot.